Inside this high-end manufacturing facility, luxury espresso machines begin their journey long before the first cup of coffee is ever brewed. The process starts with premium stainless steel, chosen for its strength, heat resistance, and flawless mirror-like finish. Copper and brass components are prepared for the internal system, where pressure, temperature, and water flow must work with extreme precision. Before production begins, engineers refine every curve, valve, and control panel to balance beauty with performance. Every metal panel is inspected by hand to ensure the surface is perfectly smooth, clean, and free from defects. The selected steel is moved into precision CNC machines, where the body panels will soon be cut with millimeter-level accuracy. At the heart of every luxury espresso machine is the boiler, designed to deliver stable heat and powerful steam under pressure. The control panel is designed to feel precise and premium, giving the barista full command over pressure, temperature, and extraction time. Once the materials are approved, the production line is prepared for a carefully controlled manufacturing process. With every material prepared and inspected, the factory is now ready to transform raw components into a $40,000 luxury espresso machine.
Now the stainless steel moves into the cutting stage, where precision lasers shape the first body panels with extreme accuracy. Each opening is cut for a specific purpose, from pressure gauges to control buttons and internal mounting points. The flat steel panels are then bent into smooth, curved shells, giving the machine its strong and recognizable luxury form. Robotic welding arms join the internal frame, creating a rigid structure that can support heat, pressure, and years of daily use. Even after machine processing, skilled technicians refine the edges by hand to remove sharp points and perfect every surface. The outer shell is polished until the stainless steel reflects light like a mirror, creating the premium look expected from a $40,000 machine. Under inspection lights, the brushed finish is checked for consistency, because even the smallest surface flaw can ruin the final appearance. The black glass control panels are cut and finished separately, adding a modern contrast to the bright stainless steel body. Technicians test fit the polished shell onto the chassis, making sure every panel aligns perfectly with the internal components. By the end of this stage, the machine's luxury exterior is ready, waiting for the boiler, pumps, and precision controls to be installed. With the internal systems completed, the machine now enters the main assembly line, where every major component comes together. The copper boiler is carefully installed into the stainless steel frame, forming the central structure of the machine. Technicians connect copper lines to brass valves, tightening each fitting with controlled torque to prevent leaks under pressure. The rotary pump and motor are mounted next, giving the machine the power to deliver stable brewing pressure. Behind the front panel, control boards, sensors, and wiring are installed to manage temperature, pressure, and timing. The black glass control panel is aligned with the frame, combining modern design with precise user control. Steam wands and water spouts are fitted by hand, because these parts must feel smooth, durable, and perfectly balanced. The polished outer shell is then lowered over the internal system, transforming the machine from exposed engineering into a luxury product. Every panel is adjusted until the gaps are even, the reflections are clean, and the body feels perfectly solid. By the end of assembly, the espresso machine looks complete, but it still has to survive the most demanding tests in the factory. With the internal systems completed, the machine now enters the main assembly line, where every major component comes together. The copper boiler is carefully installed into the stainless steel frame, forming the central structure of the machine. Technicians connect copper lines to brass valves, tightening each fitting with controlled torque to prevent leaks under pressure. The rotary pump and motor are mounted next, giving the machine the power to deliver stable brewing pressure. Behind the front panel, control boards, sensors, and wiring are installed to manage temperature, pressure, and timing. The black glass control panel is aligned with the frame, combining modern design with precise user control. Steam wands and water spouts are fitted by hand because these parts must feel smooth, durable, and perfectly balanced. The polished outer shell is then lowered over the internal system, transforming the machine from exposed engineering into a luxury product. Every panel is adjusted until the gaps are even, the reflections are clean, and the body feels perfectly solid. By the end of assembly, the espresso machine looks complete, but it still has to survive the most demanding tests in the factory.
After assembly, every machine is moved into the testing lab, where pressure lines and monitoring equipment check the system under real operating conditions. The pressure system is pushed through controlled cycles to confirm that every valve, fitting, and seal can handle the load. Temperature stability is tested around the boiler because a luxury espresso machine must stay consistent, shot after shot. The steam wand is tested for power and control, producing a steady flow of steam for milk texture and professional barista use. Next comes the extraction test, where the machine pulls real espresso to prove that engineering precision becomes flavor in the cup. Inspectors examine the crema, flow, color, and consistency, looking for the signs of a perfectly balanced extraction. The machine is also tested for vibration and noise, making sure the powerful pump feels smooth and refined, not rough or unstable. Water flow is measured carefully because even small variations can change the final taste of the espresso. After mechanical testing, technicians inspect the body, panel gaps, reflections, buttons, and overall finish under bright quality lights. Only after passing every test does the machine earn approval for final polishing, packaging, and delivery. After testing, the machine receives its final polish, bringing the stainless steel body to a deep, mirror-like shine. A small identification plate is installed, marking the machine as a finished precision product ready for its owner. Premium accessories are prepared separately, including portafilters, baskets, tampers, and professional cleaning tools. Before packaging, the entire machine is inspected one last time under bright lights to catch even the smallest cosmetic flaw. The polished body is protected with soft fabric and film, preventing scratches during transport. The machine is then placed into a custom foam-lined crate, with each accessory secured in its own compartment. Once sealed, the crates move toward dispatch, carrying machines that have passed every stage of production and testing. At the loading dock, each crate is handled carefully, because the final delivery must protect the same precision built inside the factory. Some machines are displayed in the factory showroom, where the finished design reveals the value of every handcrafted detail. From raw stainless steel to a $40,000 luxury espresso machine, the process ends with engineering, craftsmanship, and one perfect cup of coffee.